Today is July 1st, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm planning to take full advantage of this cool morning air before Mother Nature cranks the thermostat up to 100 degrees. Today's going to be a hot day, and I wanted to take advantage of the cool morning air to get as much done as I can to uncover Knotty Gurl and assess what needs to be done to get her ready for the raft race. So here's the initial uncovering. This bar up here was used to drape a tarp over the top of it, and I have a secondary tarp on the hulls. But as you can see, there's a lot of debris on the deck that needs to be cleared out. So let's just take a quick look. So the hulls look like they're undamaged. They've been sitting for quite many years. They do have some discoloration. When this raft was put away, I was getting ready to put a skeg on the bottom of these hulls. And I had sanded and repaired some holes that needed work. So although it's discolored, it looks like it's pretty solid. So we got this tarp on the top, and you can see we got a lot of styrofoam and dirt and debris up there. Same down here. So there's a lot of stuff to clean up. I'm going to wear a respirator because I don't know if there was any biohazards in here. I might find a dead animal or some remains. So I just want to not breathe in anything that's got cooties on it. So here's the other side here. So she's looking pretty good. There doesn't look like there's any obvious damage from this initial unveiling. So let me take this other tarp off and see what we got under here, what we need to clear out to make this accessible and easy to work on. Okay, got that cleaned up. So now the entire underside of the trailer deck is cleared out of all the debris, all the nastiness. The top is cleaned out as best I can. Now I have to get the vacuum and get these last little bits out of this. This is kind of a tough area to use with a whisk broom and a little dustpan. And one of the things I found underneath there is this sculpture. My brother Brian had a plasma cutter, and I think this is a bird, I'm pretty sure. So somehow I ended up with this when he passed away, and he had just had it hanging from his, he had a little shed where he lived, where he did his repairs. This is kind of a sculpture that he made. So I think I'll hang it up in the hugelkultur garden, put it in there, let the weather, you know, clean it off. And yeah, I'll move that to a spot where it can be appreciated. But now I've got this pretty well cleaned out. I just made a rough pass on the vacuum, and I'm going to need a scraper and maybe a hard brush to really get the last little bit out of this. This is the underside of the deck. This is the superstructure. So this is kind of out of view once the boats flip back over. So what I need to do essentially at this point is just cover this back up for now, get it secure. I need to go in and take a shower. I got pretty grungy doing this. So the raft is now back under cover. I got it secured with some fresh bungees, and here's the interior look. So we got all the debris out, we got it cleaned up, we got it covered up, so we should be good for now. I'm gonna go take a shower and call it a day.